In the town of Sunnyvale, there was a superhero named Dr. Miracle. By day, he was Dr. Max, the kindest doctor in town. But when trouble arose, he transformed into Dr. Miracle, ready to save lives. One day, the school was in trouble. The students were sneezing non-stop. Dr. Miracle rushed to help, discovering the Sneeze Monster spreading germ. With his magic stethoscope, Dr. Miracle defeated the Sneeze Monster and cured the kids. They cheered, grateful for their hero, Dr. Miracle, the healing hero of Sunnyvale. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more exciting videos. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thanks.